Hello, my friends. John LaRuffa here, and welcome to another Unbiased unboxing. And just like everybody else on Board Game Geek, I am also going to unbox Tapestry. Why not? That's what I say. Why not? You want to see it? Well, I'm going to do it anyway, again, like everybody else. All right, let's see what we got here. Big giant box, a Civilization game. Lots of people have cracked this open. I'm really excited for many reasons. Number one, I love Stonemaier games. Number two is it's solo mode, which is always fun with the automaton bot, the Automa Factory, which does really, really well. For me, at least, I think they're a fantastic system. And number three, the game looks gorgeous to behold. So lots of good things. You guys know that I am a sucker for good components and good-looking games. All right, so let's see what we got here as we dig into this bad boy. So, like I said, nice box. The wingspan-like feel to the rule book. Some reference guides. Always happy to see those in games. These look very nice, very colorful. Really like the look of those. The Automa rules and the Shadow Empire variant, which we'll have to check out. Okay, and then we've got ourselves some, looks like fairly good looking player board, or not player board, but maybe player power components here. Very nice quality. I like that they're thin, but they're rigid, and that's nice. They've got a nice feel to them also, nice texture. It looks like we have plenty of these different things, so that's really cool to behold. Obligatory bag of bags. Poker size card. Well, looks like we got, yeah. They don't look like poker size. They look a little bit smaller there, but I'm sure they'll be good quality. Let's go ahead and take a look at those in a second. You got your 3 dice. Everything comes nice and sealed in this shrink wrap, which is awesome. Preserve the components. And then the meat and potatoes here. Of course, this is the main element that everybody's looking for. The nice looking minis and, well, not minis, but monuments and such. So let's just take a look at these guys for everybody's delight. Huh? How about that? Those look good. Oh yeah. All right, open this guy up and give us a closer look. I, for one, am glad that they sprung for the full painted wonders, because these things look great, folks. They really do. We've also got some very nice pieces here, not just cubes, but you have these little monuments in the different colors. And also custom tokens. Plastic, not wood, plastic is totally fine. And a whole bunch of additional custom tokens, which are also exciting here. Look at those. All right. Those look pretty good. But of course, this is the main event right here, these guys. And this is fantastic. I can't wait to see these things on the board. That's going to be looking really fun, really enjoyable to play with. So that's a quick unboxing. Let's just take a quick look at these components over here. We'll pull them apart, pull them open, see how they're doing. Do not want to spear the board. That would be a travesty. Yeah, definite kudos for Stonemaier Games as usual on the components, but also on the packaging this time. I definitely appreciate a scuff-free situation, since my luck is usually pretty bad when it comes to these sorts of things. All right, so we're taking a look here. Of course, my family would take this opportunity to run the vacuum upstairs, which is awesome. Really glad about that. That's going to help you guys at home really hear what I'm saying. Nice, again, that texture. I don't know if you can really, you really can't tell, but that texture is quite nice there. Over here, some more boards, player boards. Looks like a lot of different player boards here. The Automa board. Nice punch tiles. Thickness is pretty good. 3 of those. And then, of course, the game board itself, which I'm sure will be a joy to behold. And it is, folks. Look at that. Look at how nice that looks. Good, good, good. Double-sided for more or less players, for sure. And that's the whole deal. So again, this is John LaRuffa. Oh, forgot about the cards. Hold on. Again, just a minute. Let's open these up, see what kind of quality. It looks like the same kind that you'd get with, the old Charterstone game, perhaps, from a standpoint of the texture. Come on. How's that vacuum doing, huh? Hopefully you guys can hear that. That's great. Okay. And again, yes, very much like the Charterstone feel. Looks really good. Great artwork. Really appreciate that. I love good components. Games should be fun to look at, fun to play. Overall, it's all about fun. That's what's so awesome about board games. You get some really quality things. So those look really good there. And I'll just open up some of these to fan them out for you. Starts with air conditioning. Heck yeah. Need that. Okay. Looks like we've got a whole bunch of different things here. Single-sided, which is totally fine. Some more cards, probably for the, those have the look of the Autonoma written all over them. All right. Again, thank you very much, John LaRuffa, for an unbiased unboxing, and that has been Tapestry. Can't wait to play this one, folks. Have a good one.